Travelling without internet or Wi-Fi? Or want to save your mobile data? Not a problem. The Camps Australia-wide app has you covered with comprehensive offline maps, giving you access to all content including maps, site information and directions offline. On the map page, tap the Download Offline Maps icon. From here you can tap to download the offline maps you require for your next adventure. Either download all of Australia or state by state as needed. Once downloaded to your device, you can then enable offline mode, and the app automatically switches to using your previously downloaded maps. Search for sites and get the information you need as usual. And once you are back in range, simply turn off offline mode and return to the live app. Travel smart with Camps Australia-wide today.